Either ways, click on my photography playlist right here, where I go into more photography tips to help you in your photography journey. If not, hope to see you guys in the next video. Oh, hi guys, so this is the raw setup of my YouTube studio. So let me bring you around some of the items which are commonly used. So let's start. This is the camera which I'm using. It's the A6400. It comes with the Rode video mic, which helps me to be able to have better audio. This is my Sigma 16mm 1.4 to be able to give me the good shallow depth of field. So this is my ND filter. It helps me to keep my frames to 24 frames per second, which is good for video. Now moving on to my tablet. This is basically my Samsung tablet which I cover. It's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. This is where I refer my script to, as sometimes some of the videos might be a bit long. So this is a good way for me to refer once I look off screen. I have a secondary camera here, which is my A7 II. Basically it records audio over here. This is my secondary mic, and sometimes my A6400 is not able to monitor the mic, so some of the audio might be a bit off. So this one is my secondary backup for the audio that I'm recording for my shoots. Okay, so if you guys can look up here, basically this is my LuxPad 43. It has different names all over the world, but basically this is the light which I use for my YouTube studio. So as you can see, once I turn it here, it gives me a much better light than I'm just using for outdoor lighting, which is here. One of the important things for my light is this thing called the super clamp, which you're able to mount a lot of things on top of it. The one which I use for my light here. Now one of the things that I have to mention over here is this white table. It's very underrated and very simple, as it's just a white surface, but it allows light to be able to bounce from the top and right down to other areas of my face to reveal the details. Now I'll show you guys where I usually sit for the videos where I'm making. Now where I usually sit is basically on top of this luggage on this cloth. This is just a simple luggage which I have, but allows me enough elevation to be able to get the shots that I need on my channel. Now, so this is a simple setup of my home studio. As you can see, my camera is behind here. I'm preparing for another shoot. Most of the items that I mentioned are actually listed down in the description below, so do check them out in your free time. Do also give me a comment if you guys share the same setup as me. If not, I'll catch you guys in the next one, yeah?